In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js and set up Claude Code on Windows. We'll start by installing Node.js, which is required to run the commands you'll use later. Open your browser and go to the official Node.js website. On the homepage, click Download, then select the Windows installer that matches your system. Once the installer finishes downloading, run it and follow the on-screen prompts. Accept the license, keep the default options, and complete the setup. This will also configure your system so you can use Node from the command prompt. Next, go to the Claude website in your browser. Navigate to the Claude Code section. Open the advanced installation page, then scroll down until you find the standard installation area. There, you'll see the exact command you need. Carefully highlight that command and copy it to your clipboard. We'll paste it into the terminal in just a moment. Open Windows Search and look for command prompt. Launch it. In the terminal, type node -v and press enter. If Node.js installed correctly, you'll see a version number appear. That confirms everything is set up. Now paste the command you copied from the standard installation section into the command prompt and press enter. Give it a moment to run. This step installs the Claude Code tool you'll be using. After that, open File Explorer. Choose a location for your work. Right-click in the blank space and select New Folder. Rename the folder to something meaningful. Click to open that folder. At the top of File Explorer, click the address bar, type CMD, and press enter. This opens a command prompt window directly pointed at your new folder, which makes it easier to run commands in the right place. In this command prompt, type Claude and press enter. If you're prompted to allow setup or make changes, choose yes and continue. When the tool is ready, type /login and press enter. Your browser will open to complete sign-in. Follow the prompts to connect your account securely. To use Claude Code fully, you may need an active subscription. If you see prompts about upgrading or subscribing, follow the instructions provided to purchase a plan. If Node.js doesn't show a version, close and reopen command prompt or reinstall Node.js. If the Claude command isn't recognized, make sure you ran the standard installation command successfully, then restart your terminal. And that's it. You've installed Node.js, set up Claude Code, verified